The AI revolution isn't just about software. It's about building one of the largest physical infrastructure projects in modern history. And history shows that whenever demand rises faster than supply, prices eventually respond. If you believe artificial intelligence will continue reshaping the global economy, it may be worth asking another question. Are you invested in the metals helping make that revolution possible? One way many Americans are gaining exposure to physical precious metals is through a gold IRA. A gold IRA allows eligible physical gold and silver coins and bars to be held inside a tax-advantaged retirement account, giving Americans an opportunity to diversify beyond traditional paper assets. Request your free gold and silver guide in the description below and discover how a gold IRA could help protect and diversify your retirement savings with physical gold and silver. If you found this video valuable, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. I publish new videos every week covering gold and silver purchases and the biggest economic trends shaping the future of precious metals and other alternative assets. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe and take care of each other.